I want to say something to Major Janjua. I want to say something to Major Janjua. If Major Janjua, you'll give me 30 seconds. Sir, you were speaking and I was not interrupting. Your knowledge is dodgy, but your physical fitness is suspect. You know, when I see you, I don't see an army officer. Your physical fitness is suspect. You know, and your knowledge is dodgy. I mean, you've been saying things that only a drug-addled mind would say, sir. You're saying stuff like, we have won all the wars against India. How did Bangladesh come into being? Weren't you thrown out from Kargil? Weren't you pushed back from Akhnur in 1965? What are you saying? Which arm of the army were you from? Major Janjua, which arm of the army were you from, sir? If I may ask.
Oh, really?
Clerical
really?
part of the army.
So I'm asking you which arm. I'm asking you your arm, sir. Please state your regiment.
I am not only.
What is your regiment?
Okay.
Which regiment are you from?
I am from the Sherdil regiment that is giving you nightmares even today. Right?
Sir, please don't speak in code names. Tell me, are you from the infantry? Are you from the infantry?
Why did you?
Are you from the infantry, sir?
Why did you abscond on medical grounds? Why did you abscond on the medical grounds?
Listen. You look like a halwai. Look at your face. You say you're an army officer. You look like a halwai. You're fat. You've got triple chins here. शर्म करो थोड़ी सी मेजर साहब. शर्म करो. हलवाई लगते हो शक्ल से. आप लगते हो फौजी. मैं तमीज से बात कर रहा हूँ. आपको अगर हजम नहीं होता look at yourself. कुर्ता पहन के ऐसे कढ़ाई में कचौड़ियां तल रहे हो यार. Look at this face. Look at his cheeks. They are coming out of the frame. Look at his double chin and triple chin. Look at his tummy.
So is this your argument? Is this your argument?
No, this is my argument because you're not an army officer. Listen, Major Janjua, no.
Your air defense system.
Let's come back on the debate.
Listen, I just want to tell you something. If you get personal, I'll take off your trousers.
Come on, Shiva is also on the debate right now. Come on, let's talk about personal. No personal comments on the debate. Let's hit them on the facts, please. No, let's speak on the facts. No personal comments, Gaurav. Not necessary. Not necessary. Remind them of what we did after Pulwama. Remind them of what we did after Pulwama, but we don't need to make personal attacks. Gaurav Arya, you can debate with Kamal Chima because clearly Major Janjua cannot take you on, and I want to remind No, one second. I want to just remind the Pakistanis of their history. It is important that you learn. Just they don't have much of a history, I understand, but you know. There you go. I'm asking Kamal Chima.
History. I want to mention something about history, Arnab, if you permit. History. Pakistan's history I want to mention. In 1965, Pakistan fed the churan to its own soldiers that one Pakistani Muslim soldier is equal to 10 Hindu Indian soldiers. इन्होंने बोला कि एक पाकिस्तानी फौजी जो है वो 10 हिंदू सैनिकों के बराबर है. ये घुसाए अंदर. इनको वहां पे जाट मिल गए. जाटों ने ऐसा रगड़ाया मार के जाटों ने इनका तुम्बा बना दिया. ठीक है. ये अपने झूठ बोलते हैं लोगों को. हम ये कर देंगे वो कर देंगे. They have been shamed so many times. They have been shamed. Just look at what Major Janjua is saying. You have not won a single war. Sir, if we have not won a single war, why does Major Janjua need a visa to go to Bangladesh? Tell me this. Why does Major Janjua need why do you need a visa? Why do you need a visa to go to Bangladesh? Tell me this. Bangladesh जाने के लिए visa क्यों चाहिए मेजर साहब, ये बताइए पहले.
And you don't need a visa to go to Kashmir, and you still can't go there. This is what your state of affairs is.
I went there last month. I was there last month.
800,000.
What are you talking? What are you saying? Major Janjua, you're shaming the Pakistani army. Major Janjua, you're shaming the Pakistani army. Major Janjua, you're shaming the Pakistani
people.
I'm coming in again, and I feel, Gaurav, that the point that you made there. 1 minute, Gaurav, 1 minute. You see the point made there. The point you made that they have communalized everything. They have communalized their army.
Absolutely.
Well, when you said that, in the Indian army, we have secular traditions. They have communalized everything. Now, 1 minute. Now, Kamar, please. Kamar, the moment I spoke to you, the electricity went off in Pakistan. 1 minute. Okay, it's back. Now listen to me. Kamar. Listen to me, Kamar. Kamar, 1 minute. Kamar, listen to me. Kamar, don't be anxious. Sometimes when I look at you,
I'm not speaking yet.
I don't see you. I see anxiety.
There is no
I see worry.
you people.
And I see
Why don't you bring
that
some
hidden
sensible
anger.
person
You know,
like
when
Praveen
you,
Sawhney on the
after
show?
all,
Why don't you invite Praveen
recently.
Sawhney on the
You have
show?
no answers.
Why
You
don't,
have
no,
no
why do you
answers.
invite people
no.
like
And arguments.
Gaurav Arya and
Who?
Tariq Fateh?
Who, Praveen
credibility
Swami,
do
who,
they have?
Praveen, who? I don't know these people. You want me to
Gaurav
invite
Arya,
people? You think
is-
Pakistanis will decide who I invite? You think Pakistanis will decide who I invite?
Arnab,
No, one minute.
Because
Arnab,
he
10
is the
seconds,
senior
10
element
seconds.
in the Indian
Arnab, 10
side.
seconds.
Person who
10 seconds.
to prepare to
10 seconds, Arnab, 10 seconds.
Gaurav and Kamal Chima is still not speaking.
10 seconds, 10 seconds.
Yeah.
Major Janjua,
Because
Major Janjua,
Praveen Sawhney
I want to tell
tells you
Major Janjua
that
something.
the
Hold on,
CDS
Talk to
listen to
us.
me.
is a complete
Listen to me.
idiot.
Major, okay, I'll tell you. Major Janjua, let me tell you something. You say who invited Gaurav Arya? Gaurav Arya is the senior consulting editor of Republic Media Network. We have invited you. You don't invite me. This is my channel. I work here. All right. So don't tell us who to invite, who not to invite. I'm the senior consulting
Well said,
editor,
This is
strategic
where the
affairs of the
problem
Republic
is,
Media
Gaurav.
Network.
And
Yeah,
let me one.
Republic
Just a minute. Major Janjua, 1 minute. Major Janjua, 1 minute. 1 minute. Oh, 1 minute, Major Janjua. Major Janjua, 1 minute. आपको एक बात बताओ. Let's talk decently. You know, my friend Gaurav and I, we were together in college. We know the finest traditions of debating. We are from Delhi University. We are almost batchmates from college. So he doesn't need to invite me. I don't need to invite him. We are friends, brothers, and nationalists. We're going to teach you a lesson. Now, look at Gaurav. You know, when we were in college, remember when we used to debate, we used to look at the other side and we used to say, Gaurav, look at the other side's body language. They've lost before they start the debate. Look at Kamar tonight. Kamar is lost. He doesn't know what to say. He's thinking what you're going to ask him. I know. He's thinking, what if Arnab asks me, why did we go begging to the World Bank for $800 million? Well, because you're a country of beggars. It's an unfortunate reality. You went, Kamar, you went begging. Kamar, I am calling you on Indian television. I'm calling you. Kamar's video is also frozen. They don't have bandwidth. They don't have electricity. Now Mona, what do I do? You're a country
so bad.
I'm making a serious point. You're a country of beggars who went begging to the World Bank on the 30th of June for $800 million.
I've been quietly listening.
No, Mona, let me complete. You can tell me I'm factually wrong. Mona, my counter to you. 1 minute. No, 1 second. Now, my question is, did you or did you not tell China that please, we need 1 more year to pay you back what we owe? After that, did you not go to the World Bank saying we have to pay China? Now you need to give us money so we can pay China $800 million. Did you or did you not do that, Mona? Do you understand? Did you or did you not do that?
China and Pakistan are your bad dream. They come in your dreams all the time.
Mona.
You know it. We don't need to understand this thing.
China is a brother country. It's an ally. It's an all-weather friend. We may ask them anything. China is an all-weather friend. We may ask them anything for anything at all. I mean, this is our business with them. Who are you?
लाहौर का एयरपोर्ट, कराची का एयरपोर्ट, इस्लामाबाद का एयरपोर्ट, मुल्तान का एयरपोर्ट, सारे मोटरवेज, चाइना, ये कैसा बिरादर मुल्क है? ये कैसे भाई हैं जो पूरा मुल्क अब तक खा गए?
आपका घर तो नहीं रखा?
आपका सुनिए, हमारा हम गिरवी रखने वाली वो नहीं है हम लोग. नहीं, आपका रख दिया ना, मोना जी, आपका घर रख दिया ना गिरवी. आपका सुनिए, एक मिनट नहीं, सुनिए, हमारे एक में मोना जी एक बात बताता हूँ, हमारे लाखों नहीं, हमारे करोड़ों सोते हो सड़कों पे, लेकिन हमने अपना मुल्क गिरवी नहीं रखा, हमने भीख नहीं मांगा. हमारे करोड़ों सोते हो सड़कों पे, करोड़ों भूखे सोते हो मोना जी, लेकिन हम लोगों ने अपना मुल्क जो है गिरवी नहीं रखा. हमारा दिल्ली का एयरपोर्ट गिरवी नहीं है, आपके इस्लामाबाद का एयरपोर्ट गिरवी है. ये जाके देखिए, हमें मत सिखाइएगा. आप लोग, अरे सुनिए, वेजिटेबल वेंडर सुनिए, मोना जी, आपका एयरपोर्ट गिरवी है कि नहीं है? आपका जो F9 का पार्क है वो गिरवी है कि नहीं है? मुल्तान का एयरपोर्ट गिरवी है कि नहीं है? लाहौर फैसलाबाद का मोटरवे गिरवी है कि नहीं है?
ओके, संजू वर्मा
बिल्डिंग गिरवी है कि नहीं है? बिल्डिंग गिरवी है कि नहीं है?
संजू
गिरवी है कि नहीं है? अगर मैं झूठ बोल रहा हूँ
Now we know your words.
How was the food?
You surrender.
Doing it. Stop it now. It's not the time to do.
How was the food? ये तो बताए ना.
No, you have to share with us.
Pakistan military is now very professional. We have shown you how we could finish terrorism in Pakistan.
Professional.
What all problems you are creating. We don't allow anyone else now. Don't laugh like a fool. I know you very well.
You don't understand decency. And particularly Arnab.
You need this language. This gentleman need this language. You laughing here. I should know what are the manners.
इनको decent
What is that? Jail की. He's telling this jail uniform.
नहीं मानते हैं. बातों के भूत नाचो तो मानते हैं. He should understand. And he, by the way, the
Who's
Muslim.
there?
की हो रहा है जैसे तमाशा हो रहा है.
He should know how to generate discussion. He doesn't know how to generate a discussion. This is not the way. You want to talk logic.
What way is up to your way?
Why Pakistan should have run? Where are your air alert system? And then, of course, why Pakistan should send across the drones? What for purpose?
I'm told that.
I can't understand. What language is he speaking in?
Islamist want peace.
What language are you speaking in, sir? समझ नहीं आ रही.
What language I'm speaking? You deserve this language.
Yeah.
क्यों?
I mean,
but what I'm talking about
please
is,
share with us.
Don't mislead
This
your
peculiar
people.
language is
Don't
very
mislead your
interesting.
people. My language is
Mislead-
meant for you only, not for anybody else. Okay?
No.
The point is why Pakistan should talk. Let's move on to the topic. Why Pakistan
You
should
are
send
worried with
drones to
Mufti
India?
Bahini.
When we are talking about peace, you could not drop. Where the debris of those drones? Do you know where they're fallen? You don't have. And what is the purpose? We want peace. My Prime Minister, Chief Minister said many times, we want peace, and we are having a ceasefire. And you are talking about provocation. You always say the drama when you have economic problem, you have got an internal problem, you've got a COVID-19 problem, you have a Kashmir problem, and you blame Pakistan.
Why are you getting so angry?
Please change your habits. Change your this stage.
No.
Everybody knows, and for the
Hey,
whole world knows.
why are you so angry?
He's
I want
angry
you to
because,
like-
if I may, Tariq Fateh, I think I have been extremely unfair. He suffers from post-traumatic stress disorder of some kind, which I must empathize with you because
You always
you were
Pakistani.
no wrong. You were part of the surrendered Pakistan army. There's no shame. Gaurav Arya, there is no shame. He must say so. He must say so. He must talk from experience.
Talk now.
But I'll tell you why he can't say so.
Coward army.
He was sent there.
Your people are
All
not
of these
happy with
Pakistanis
talk
were
about
sent
you.
there
Don't
to
talk about it.
change the very
Then
nature
I know
of Bengali
what he
people.
said. I remember
They said in one generation we will change the very outlook and genetic order of the Bengali people. They taught you a lesson.
I can tell
मुंह
you
की
the clip
खानी
of
पड़ी.
Jalbakshi. So I think मुंह की खानी आपको पड़ी.
Yeah.
I know what is your worth.
अरे सर,
That's
मुक्ति
what
वाहिनी से
don't
क्यों
talk like
डरते हो? मैं खुद था.
Mukti
I'm a Mukti Bahini.
1,000 kilometers away. Now come to Pakistan. We'll tell you, teach the lesson.
Yeah, why?
And you
That
know
is,
the army.
it is Bangladesh that made Pakistan, not you. In Punjab, you were sitting making Pakistan.
Now you know it. Don't.
Oh, come on, you're a British army. You take orders from Queen Victoria.
Don't go in rhetorics.
You have a Karaiki army, bhai. Whoever pays the money, you follow.
What happened to you?
You are literally,
try to do it.
you
Now
literally
tell
an
me,
army
we have sent a drone to tell
that
you.
works for those who pay you money.
All right, now, 10:31 p.m. and I want to come back in. Gaurav Arya is on the debate with Mona Alam and Kamal Chima.